Hello friends, welcome to Taxpuram. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Who and all have to maintain books of accounts under Income Tax Act? Let's say we are doing a small business. Do we need to maintain books of accounts? Everyone cannot maintain books of accounts. It will be a little bit hectic for us. So in this video, we are going to discuss who has to maintain books of accounts and who is not required to maintain the books of accounts. This video is going to explain by Mr. Sridhar Rajan. He is a chartered accountant from Sivagasi. Let's see the video.
Hi all, I am Sridhar Rajan. So today we will be seeing about maintenance of books of accounts. Friends, in income tax section 44AA speaks about the maintenance of books of accounts. So who are the persons required to maintain books of accounts? So as per this section, we can classify two kinds of persons. One person who is carrying on the business and the other person who is carrying on the profession. So let's first take the persons who are carrying on any profession. For example, a person carrying on the profession of legal, medical, consultancy, accountancy, engineering, architecture, interior decoration, film artist or any other person notified by the board have to maintain books of accounts as prescribed in this act. And then persons carrying on the business. In case of persons carrying on the business, if their income exceeds 1,20,000 rupees or their sales or gross receipts for the preceding 3 financial years exceeded that limit, they have to maintain books of accounts. In the same scenario, if the person carrying on the business is an individual or a HUF, if such person's income exceeds 2,50,000 rupees or his turnover or gross receipts for the preceding 3 previous years has been exceeded, then he has to maintain books of accounts. So what do you mean by books of accounts and what are the documents to be maintained? So they have to maintain the following documents mandatorily. First, the cash book. So cash receipts, cash payments and their daily expenses to be maintained. And then so journals and registers, ledgers and then their carbon copies of the invoices. For how many years do I need to maintain this books of account? So according to this section, you have to maintain your books of accounts for 6 years from the end of the relevant assessment year. For example, now the current financial year running is financial year 21-22. So you have to maintain your books of accounts till financial year 2028-29. So what will be the scenario if I fail to maintain the books of accounts? In case of non-maintenance of books of accounts, there may be a chance of levying a heavy penalty in case of non-maintenance of books of accounts, or else in case of any omission or false entry in your books of accounts. So I have explained the scenario where the books of accounts to be maintained. There are other scenarios where the books of accounts need not be maintained. So Mr. Karthik has earlier made such video on this scenario for which no books of accounts to be maintained. The video link for that has been posted in the description page. Thank you.
Hope you understand the insights and information given by Mr. Sridhar Rajan. And still, if you have any queries, you can always comment in the comment section. We are very happy to help you. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for regular updates. And if you need our instant updates, please subscribe to our Telegram channel. The description of the same is given below. We'll catch up in another video. Till then, Karthik signing off from Taxpuram. Thank you.